Hey there, so in this video we are going to scrape the 3 data points that we previously talked in the video, so text, author, and then finally the text. So let's begin right away. Let's go back to our terminal and put it aside for now. So the text will be, or this data point will be the first data point that we will collect. So to do that, we will type in quote.xpath. So this is called dynamic or custom selector. So we will not type in response.xpath, we will type in the quote.xpath. Quote.xpath will pretty much search this entire HTML. So if we type in response.xpath, this will pretty much search entire page or entire output, or aka entire page really. So if we type here, find every A tag, with the response.xpath, hit enter, you will see that a lot of data is going to get returned. If we did the same thing with the quote or any other custom selector that we write, we will have to use the dot to ensure that we get only content from pretty much the selector itself. So in this case, this HTML. So we'll hit enter, and as you can see, a lot less A tags or HTML nodes are found. So we will type in quote.xpath. For now, we will just leave it as it is. So we will type in dot, just not to forget. And so we go to the text, go to the inspect, and here we have span class and then value the text, and also item prop, which equals to the text. And then in it, we have our text in double quotes, so to speak. So there are multiple ways of getting to the data. I will share 2 different ways. The first one will be with the class, and then the second one will be with the item prop. So with the class, we go to the terminal and type in class. So find every instance of the class. So this is pretty much the same XPath syntax as previously. So we'll type in here as a class text. So the text will be the value. Hit enter, and let's see, something is wrong. Sorry, I forgot the asterisk, and hit enter right now. And we will see that span class text, item prop text is equal, and then this is the double quote. So if we type in .extract, you will see that we get our data in the list itself. So to prettify it or make it more readable, we should go into the text or extract text and call extract first. Hit enter, and as you can see, here's our data. I believe if we just print out quote, we will get even more readable. As you can see, this pretty much corresponds to the double quotes that are read from here. So if you type in print before the statement, you will get sort of prettified output, let's call it that way. So this will be the text variable. So we hit enter, we copy and paste it into our text editor. So copy and paste it. So we will input it here. The next data point that we want to collect is the author. So we click here, inspect also, and here, oh sorry, forgot to mention the second way of actually getting to the data. You can also use item prop and then the text. So believe it or not, it's pretty simple. So you only need to change the class and make it item prop. And that would be pretty much it. So the text value is going to be the same as in the class, as you can see. So if we hit enter, you will see the same data displayed. So if we type in here now text, you will see the same quote is going to be selected. Now, if we didn't use the, let's remove the variable. If we didn't use the dot, as you will see in a moment, if we hit enter, the same data point will be collected. But if we type in extract, you will see that pretty much 10 quotes will be selected. And that's the reason why you have to use dot when you are pretty much getting data from the custom selector, as we did here from the first quote. So pretty much this statement is as same one as reading out response.xpath and then this statement. So you should really pay attention to not messing this up, because it's a bit trickier to the beginners. Okay, so let's begin with the authors. Let's go to the inspect, and here we have the class author and item prop author. So let's use, for example, item prop author. Pretty much the statement is going to be the same. So item prop text. So instead of text, the value is just going to be author. So this is really simple. So you just type in here author, the item prop. So this statement reads out once again, find every item prop with the value of author, select the text, and select the first instance. Hit enter, and let's not forget our dat here, and hit enter, and that will be pretty much our data that we are after, so Albert Einstein, as you can see. So copy and paste this into our text editor. So this will be the author is equal to this statement, and the final one is tags. This will be equal to the pretty much, so if we go into inspect, this will be from the class. So we have here 4 different tags, as you can see, and each one is in the A HTML node, and it has class and the value is tag. And also we can go in and scrape it from the meta class. So let's do this, for example. So we can go to the item prop, then type in keywords, and then we can extract not the text, but from the content. As you can see, it contains our data in a more readable format, or it's a bit easier. So item prop, so let's go to the terminal. So we go and go to the item prop, and then the value is going to be keywords. So you can copy and paste it pretty much. Paste it here, and then hit enter, and as you will see in a moment, nothing will happen. And the reason why is because we are selecting the text. What we want to do is select the content, as you can see from here. So we type in, the syntax is a bit different, so you type in at this point, and then content. Hit enter, and as you can see, here is our data. You can also write the class and then tag. So to do that, we will use the extract. We will select the text because we are going to select this pretty much data points that I'm highlighting right now. And here we will use the tag. And finally, it will not be item prop, it will be class. So as you can see, it's fairly simple and straightforward. And in this case, we have just a list of the tags, and here we just have the string or Unicode of the tags. So either one will do the job. Copy and paste the output or the statement from the terminal, paste it in, and that will be pretty much it in at this video. So in the very next one, we will print out our data to the Scrapy shell, and we will start to iterate over the pages of the results and grab 100 or so different quotes. See you there.